Impac Group. We are a Mexican company specialized in manufacturing waterproofing and roof coating solutions, seeking to improve safety and comfort in both the residential and industrial settings through our innovative top-quality products and services. We started manufacturing operations in the city of Monterrey, Mexico in 1980, with resins and adhesives for the industry. Later, we introduced our acrylic waterproofing, paint and texture lines, as well as our modified asphalt membranes. A number of distribution centers and points of sale were strategically located throughout the country, and subsequently we expanded our operations to the U.S. and to Central and South America, positioning ourselves in the international arena. In 2013, we launched new lines of additives, products for concrete and epoxy coatings, followed by the addition of sustainable waterproofing and polyurethane materials to our wide range of solutions for construction challenges. Today, we have 3 manufacturing plants, 4 R&D and quality control labs, where we have been awarded 21 patents as we pursue our constant innovation strategy. The most relevant national and international certifications attest to the quality of our process, products, and services. Our product lines are designed to provide solutions for every construction need. Acrylic waterproofing materials, bitumen membranes, polyurethane waterproofing, asphalt emulsions, including the leading Impac trademark in the market, sealants, adhesives under the Pagalo brand, concrete additives, epoxy coatings, anchoring adhesives, and the Renova brand line of paints and textures. We have 14 distribution centers, and we abundantly cover the breadth of the country through our network of stores and strategic partners. We are a customer satisfaction-driven company, a value shared by our entire organization. Impac customers know they always have our support. We are proud to take part in projects where we can provide integrated solutions for each construction stage with the support of our expert teams in specifications and job site technical advice. By providing long-lasting waterproofing systems, improving the construction process with concrete additives, creating more comfortable and sustainable spaces through the use of our insulation systems, we deliver customized solutions under the most stringent quality and service standards. Corporate social responsibility is one of our key pillars. We actively contribute to the creation of better social, environmental, and economic conditions for our communities. We have provided support to different NGOs and foundations, maintaining their facilities, rehabilitating schools in low-income communities, supporting breast cancer awareness cause, and our eco-friendly line of sustainable products contributes to reducing environmental pollution while adhering to all relevant Mexican official standards and environmental regulations. Thanks to our wide-ranging experience in the industry, to the high-quality standards of our products and services, and to our commitment to ongoing innovation and top customer service, at Impac, we continue to deliver the best solutions for your construction requirements.